there, it's Whitney Q here, and if you know me, Christmas is my season. It's the month that I was born, it's Christmas tree, it's just Christmas and I love Christmas. Move over, Mariah, I am actually the Christmas queen. So on this platform, we are going to have a lot of Christmas content. I'm going to be giving you a gift giving guide. I'm going to be telling you things to do in London. I've also got some events that I am doing in Ghana, and I can't wait to share that with you. This is my season and I'm taking you along with me. So please be sure to engage, like, comment, subscribe, wherever it is that you are seeing this at. And we are going to have such a great time. We're going to end the year strong. I have been very humble this whole year, looking after myself, and I feel like I have the energy to give back to you guys. And Christmas being my season, I have to go extra hard for you all. And as you know, extra is live. Yeah, let's have fun. Bye.